Here's how to add an IP address for a device you're adding to your app. Click on the plus sign on the top, IP domain, select the type of device you have. If you have an IP camera, select wired camera regardless if you have a wireless or not. If you have a DVR, select DVR, or if you have an NVR, select NVR. Make sure you select the correct device. If you're using an intercom, make sure you select VTO. In this case, I selected NVR. On the top, add mode, it says IP domain in gray, right under the save button. Then you've got a port number. The port number for all our equipment is 3/777. Make sure you have that port forwarded using a single port-to-port forward method. If you use any type of port triggering or port translation, it's not going to work. You need a rule that has specifically an outbound port 3/777 being forwarded to the internal IP address of your NVR or other device using port 3/777. In the address, you type in the IP address you received from your ISP. You find that by going to myipaddress.com. Again, you find that by going to myipaddress.com. When you're away, you want to use that IP address. In this case, I'm going to put in 72. It's usually 6 octets. You name your device, put in your username, put in your password. If all works, you hit save and we'll try to connect. In this case, this is just a dummy IP address, username and password. But once that's done, it'll actually log you in. In this case, I'm just trying it for demonstration purposes. If that all connects and you don't get this login timeout error, that means you've properly added it and you've properly port forwarded your device. If this doesn't work, you need to go back to do port forwarding or reach out to our networking services team for a paid networking session. Thanks for watching.